Hello everyone, my name is Nico and I am the head chef for BlueVillas, the luxury concept. We know you are at home dreaming about being somewhere else. So, our project, Greece from Home, will help you escape for a little. The only thing that you have to do is to follow me to my kitchen to prepare one of the most popular Greek appetizers. It's called kolokithokeftedes. For you, it's zucchini balls. Don't try to say it, try to make it with me. Follow me. We take the zucchini, we need a colander, a grater, and in this side we rub the zucchini. Then we put 2 teaspoons of sea salt. We mix it very well, we squeeze it and remove all the juice from the zucchini. 150 grams of regato cheese, 2 eggs, 100 grams of breadcrumb, and finally we chop some dill, fresh dill of course. We didn't put any more salt. Then we mix it very well. Make these small wonderful balls. Take a pan, we put a vegetable oil. We open the fire of course, and then we'll fry our zucchini balls. We prepare the sauce. It's very simple, 3 ingredients. Just yogurt, a teaspoon of honey, just a few of salt, and then we want some lemon zest. Look, so creamy and crunchy. Oh my god, and the cheese inside. It's amazing. Also you can put in the dip. Oh my god. An amazing food experience can become a loving memory. And in the end, it is all about the beautiful memories in life.